Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is August 31st, last trading day of the month. We've seen a lot happening here already, but certainly in the red. Corn down about 2.25 overnight. Beans down 9.25. Wheat down 4. So, and that's even in the wake of a lot of concern yet for the Eastern Corn Belt. And chatter continuing of just lack of rain over the next week. And what kind of effects we could have from that since we've got warmer temperatures moving in. We've got some temperatures from 80s into the 90s in most of the areas, but it will remain humid as well, so prepare for that. But it's something that, as far as the trade's looking for, can we get some rain for those areas to finish out these crops, and where are we at with that? So that may be a focus here as we go throughout the week. But as of this morning, still eyes on more of the financial markets and what's going on with China. Their markets were down again slightly overnight. We've got our stock market down 160 as far as stock futures. S&P working lower as well. Crude oil down about $1 this morning. So you've got this macro sense of selling, and I think that's what had affected the overnight markets. So maybe what we'll see here is if we do get this lower start, can we find this grind back higher and really stay in the sideways range for the grains that we've been in for, quite some time now. We did have another sale of beans this morning announced from USDA, 125,000 beans to unknown. And so we are still finding some demand for beans at these levels. That may find a little support here as well. So we'll see what happens as far as the grains. We also got some news that will be released. FC Stone will release some yield data tomorrow. But Allendale, the producer-based survey that we have done over the last couple weeks, compiling information, that'll be released on Wednesday for you guys. Very eager to see what kind of numbers we get from that. But a big release on Wednesday as far as our survey results. Looking at livestock, mixed for cattle. Expecting that kind of an open. Box beef, though, slightly lower. Choice down 99, select down 17. We did see some late trade, 146 in Kansas, very limited. That would be unchanged with last week, but better than kind of first thought earlier in the week. So we'll see how that's played out too. Cutout values a little lower for hogs. We've seen some lower trade there as well, but keep an eye on that. I think a lot of these effects with more of the financial markets and what's going on as far as our stocks is playing a bigger role here for livestock. So keep an eye on that as we get into the holiday weekend. But give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.